What do you love about filmmaking?
I love everything about it. I mean, I don't know, and like Coppola said in I think it was the Hearts of Darkness documentary that this was one of the only remaining dictatorial positions left in life, and I guess that's kind of fun. I'm kidding. I mean, it doesn't mean anything. I don't know. I mean, I don't have a general response for it. I mean, I love every aspect of it, and I love the uncertainty of the journey. I love letting it evolve. I love, the revelations. Like when you wake up in the middle of the night and you've just finally figured out that scene, or you've figured out how to make a shot work or something like that. Those are very rewarding. But also, I love watching other people do great work. I love whether it's the actors or the cameramen or the sound people or the art department. I love seeing other artists be inspired by this thing we're doing, and watching them get better and watching them have major achievements. It means a lot to me.
What do you hate about filmmaking?
Waiting. When shit is slow. I think that might be one of the only things. I mean, certainly when people are dishonest or self-motivated, and like we were talking about like earlier, but slowness, when things just take forever, that's what drives me crazy. Like, oh yeah, we should think about doing this. So we should think about getting together to discuss doing this, or something like that. Like, I'm much more action driven. I like to get things done and actually do them. So waiting around, there's so many different ways in which that comes into play. I don't know where to really start, but whether it's you're waiting for an actor to get back to you, or you're waiting for someone to read something, or like the slowness is the only thing that works on me.
You just seem very patient. You seem like you're very, very zen and patient, but really you like the action of life to move faster. So.
Yeah, I took some CBD before.
Oh, you did? Okay. I was like, maybe I'm just
otherwise I'm like, climbing the wall. No, I'm this is kind of me yelling anyway.
Oh, okay. Hey, can you stop, please?
I'm sorry.
No, you seem very calm, but I've known other calm people but they're very proactive.
Yeah.
So they may not be, they get things done very rapidly.
Yeah, I mean, every day I'm trying to incrementally build whatever I'm doing. I don't have I don't have a lot of downtime. I don't have a lot of time where I'm just not doing something.
Right. And then, without going into too many specifics, when you say the dishonesty, is there a way you could maybe, without calling anybody out?
Yeah, I mean, certainly what we were talking about earlier, when people screw over their own projects, either in the development or the script stage, or pre-production, that's dishonest.
Like how? How are they?
Well, I mean, whether we're talking about trying to screw the writer, or I was involved in a project once without naming any names or anything, where we had financing, we had 10 million. And our own lawyers contacted the financier, and they were like, well, we can make 3 films for this. And he had never done a film before, and he was already nervous, and he was like, I'm out. Screwing over your own project because you're trying to advance yourself or whatever, whatever it is that you're after, happens all the time. I mean, it just doesn't have to be that way. That sounds naive. I just really don't think it has to be that way. We all want the same thing, I think.
Right. It's better to know early on, absolutely. Because if something's going to happen like that, the further, maybe the more upfront it is, the better.
Sign contracts. Get it done early, so you're protected.
Did you work in corporate law?
No.
What kind of law firm did you work for?
You mean when I was in school?
Yeah, you said you worked for a law firm at a day.
A couple different ones. I worked for a criminal law firm for a bit, and then I was at some civil law firm where I was kind of a clerk / investigator for a bit. This is a long time ago.